Good day, sir. We are the group one that will present the POS of the company. We, the group, chose the company of Inasal. So the point of sale of Mang Inasal is physical terminal software and hardware. So basically, the Mang Inasal outlet to process order, accept payments, and manage inventory. This POS ensuring the efficient and accurate handling of sales and customer transaction. So, if the POS of the Mang Inasal is have a problem or temporary close, the Mang Inasal have a alternative ways. So, the company will continue operating while the POS is down. So, number one is manual transaction. So, if the POS system is down, the staff can process transaction manually by using the paper-based method. Basically, the paper-based method is writing down and listing down the items sold, calculating totals, and accepting cash or checks. Number two,
The second one is offline payment methods. If electronic payment methods are unavailable, businesses can accept cash, checks, or other offline payment options. While electronic payment methods have revolutionized the way businesses conduct transactions, it is important to have a backup plan in place for instances when these methods are unavailable. Offline payment methods such as cash, checks, and other alternative forms of payment can provide a temporary solution to ensure that businesses can continue to operate smoothly until the POS system is back online. And the third one is the backup POS system. Some businesses have backup POS systems in place, either or physical backup terminals or cloud-based solutions. Having a backup POS system in place is not just a precautionary measure, it can also be a strategic advantage. In the event of a POS failure, businesses with backup systems can continue to serve customers and process transactions without missing a beat. This can help to maintain customer trust and prevent potential revenue losses. Next report.
The fourth one is alternative way. Mobile POS system. Some businesses use mobile POS system that operate independently from traditional POS terminals. This system can be accessed via tablets or smartphones and can continue processing transactions even the main POS is offline. And the fifth one is customer information recording. During a POS outage, businesses can still record customer information manually to ensure loyalty points, discounts, or other benefits are not lost.
all, and thank you.